Arthur, it's Google Wednesday, and after yesterday, I'm feeling bold. I'm calling the whole episode before you start. Cloud SQL is Monday's library. Firestore is the lockers. Google Edition, am I right?
90% right, and that 90 is the mirror strategy paying off again. But Google slipped one genuinely cool trick into the lockers. Watch for it. Cloud SQL versus Firestore.
A trick in the lockers, okay. Run the 90% first. Fast.
Cloud SQL is the library, Google's managed relational database. Strict shelves, SQL, joins, the works. It runs the same engines you already know: MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server.
So it's RDS with a Google badge, same library, Google's staff running it.
Exactly the same idea. Google patches it, backs it up, keeps the lights on. You just write SQL. If your data has relationships and you want flexible questions, that's the library. Every cloud.
And the bill's the same shape as the library too?
Same shape. You pick an instance, so much CPU, so much memory, and it runs whether it's slammed or asleep, plus storage. A booked librarian by the hour.
Predictable. Now, Firestore, the lockers, and the trick.
Firestore is Google's serverless NoSQL database. Like the locker wall, it scales itself near zero when quiet, massive when busy, and you never run a server. So far, DynamoDB's cousin.
So far, my prediction's perfect. Where's the twist?
Twist 1 is small but nice. Firestore's lockers don't hold raw blobs. They hold labeled folders, documents, grouped into filing cabinets called collections. You can actually flip through and query fields, not just grab by one key.
Richer than pure key value, a locker with an organized folder inside, and twist 2?
Twist 2 is the cool one. Every folder has a bell. Your app can subscribe, and the instant that folder changes, Firestore pings it. Live. No refresh, no polling.
Wait, so if the data changes, my app just knows? Instantly?
Instantly. That's real-time sync. It's why Firestore powers so many chat apps, live dashboards, and multiplayer games. Everyone's screen updates the moment the data does.
The library can't do that.
Not out of the box. The library's a quiet reading room. You walk up and ask. Firestore taps you on the shoulder the second something new arrives. Plus, it works offline and resyncs when you're back.
Okay, that's a genuinely cool locker. What's the catch? There's always a catch.
Same catch as any NoSQL. You trade the library's anything goes questions for scale and speed. Complex reports across everything. Big joins. The library still wins those.
And the Firestore bill? Per locker visit, I'm guessing?
Good guess. You pay per operation. Each document read, write, or delete, plus storage. Quiet app, tiny bill. It tracks the crowd, just like the lockers should. Quick pause. Subscribe if you predicted this whole episode before I opened my mouth. That's the mirror strategy. And Wednesday is always Google Day here.
I did call it, mostly. The bell got me. So the pick is the same rule as Monday, right? Just Google names.
Almost identical. Relationships, joins, flexible reporting. Cloud SQL, the library. Huge scale. Simple lookups, mobile and web apps that need live updates. Firestore, the lockers.
And which cloud do I already live in still decides between Amazon's and Google's versions.
That's the meta rule of the whole channel. The concepts are identical. You pick the provider whose neighborhood your app already lives in.
Same library, same lockers, different logo, plus a bell if you go Google.
You've officially internalized the mirror strategy. Landed in 3.
Cloud SQL is Google's library. Managed relational SQL, engines like MySQL and PostgreSQL, build by the instance whether busy or idle. Firestore is Google's lockers. Serverless NoSQL documents in collections, build per operation, scaling to near zero when quiet. Firestore's bonus, real-time updates that push to your app. The instant data changes plus offline sync. Pick the library for relationships, the lockers for scale and live apps.
Perfectly mirrored. Tomorrow, DevOps Thursday. Your app is talking to all these databases, but when something breaks at 3 a.m., how do you read what happened? Logging. The black box.
The flight recorder for my app? Wait, does it record me too?
It records everything. See you tomorrow.